When you meet someone new, you instantly decide if you can trust them. The same snap judgment happens with brands. Our brains make fast decisions based on a logo, website, or ad, often in seconds. That first impression is powerful. If it's negative, it's tough to change. Trust is the foundation of every customer relationship. We don't analyze a brand's history. We react to colors, words, and feelings. Trust is the currency of business. Without it, customers won't buy, recommend, or believe in you. Successful brands know they must earn confidence before selling anything. So, how do they do it? Through color and language, tools that trigger emotional responses. The right colors and words make us feel safe and understood. A brand that chooses carefully is like someone who dresses well and speaks clearly. They show they care. Imagine two stores, one clean and inviting, the other messy and chaotic. Which do you trust? The same goes for brands online. Design and language are their storefront. Clean design and honest words invite us in. Confusing design and pushy language push us away. Building trust isn't about tricks. It's about creating a welcoming, secure environment. Brands that get this right connect with us on a human level. That's the first step to a lasting relationship. Every detail matters: colors, words, and the feeling they create. Trust starts in a moment, but it lasts a lifetime. The brands we trust most are the ones that make us feel comfortable from the very first glance. That's why trust is everything. It's not just a business strategy. It's the heart of every great brand. And it all begins with that crucial first impression. Colors speak to us before words do. They trigger emotions instantly. Blue signals calm, stability, and trust, which is why banks and tech companies use it. Green evokes nature, health, and peace, perfect for wellness and eco-friendly brands. Black and white suggest sophistication and authority. Red grabs attention with energy and urgency, but isn't always seen as trustworthy. Yellow feels cheerful and friendly, but too much can be overwhelming. Orange combines energy and friendliness, signaling creativity and confidence. Gray is mature and professional, ideal for serious brands. The color you choose sets the emotional tone for your brand. It's not just decoration, it's your first message to the customer. The right color opens the door to trust. The wrong one can close it. Think of color as the first word in your brand's conversation. It's a silent language everyone understands. Choose wisely, because your color choice is your brand's first impression. The best brands use color to make us feel exactly what they want us to feel. That's the power of the silent language of colors. Words build trust just as powerfully as colors. Simple, clear language shows respect and honesty. Words like guaranteed, certified, and secure offer reassurance. Empathy, phrases like "we understand" or "you deserve," creates connection. Using "you" and "your" makes the message personal. Avoid exaggerated claims and clickbait. They break trust instantly. Honest, humble language builds credibility over time. Consistency in every message, email, ad, or post cements your reputation. The right words turn a brand into a trusted friend. The real magic happens when colors and words work together. A bank uses blue and words like secure and reliable. Both signal safety. An organic baby food brand uses green and words like pure and gentle, evoking health and trust. When color and language align, the message is powerful and believable. But a mismatch, like playful orange with serious investment language, creates confusion and distrust. Consistency between what customers see and read builds confidence. Brands should ask, what feeling do we want to create? Then choose colors and words that match. Harmony between visuals and language is the secret to a trustworthy brand. It's not just about looking good, it's about making customers feel right. That's how you build trust that lasts. The world's most trusted brands master color and language. PayPal's blue signals security. Their words promise safety and simplicity. Whole Foods uses green for health and nature, backed by honest language about real food. Consistency is key. Colors and words must always tell the same story. Authenticity matters most. Never use colors or words to promise what you can't deliver. Trust is hard to win, easy to lose. The colors you choose are your handshake. Your words are your conversation. Align them and you'll build a brand people rely on. Trust isn't a trick, it's your greatest asset.